Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's July 25th here on Wednesday. Just one report today, and that is the new home sales of June. So, previous report in May, it was at 666,000. Hate to see that number, right? For the month of May, that's annualized units for the year. And the forecast is supposed to be kind of in that same range at 660. Had a slight downturn, but it dropped 5.3% all the way down to 631 annualized units. So, unfortunately, that's a bit of disappointment, especially heading into the summer, which is usually prime buying season here. Let's jump into the headline news. Stock market is a bit mixed. The Dow is down. We did get some mixed Q2 earnings reports in there. Nothing overboard, it weren't like losses or anything. It just didn't quite meet the expectations. But the expectations are getting pretty high right now. They're really looking at high things, and so even some of the big name guys kind of miss those expectations. So that's why there's a bit of a mixed trading today on the stock market. And then also we got trading, as we mentioned yesterday, that President Trump and the President of the EU, Juncker, will be meeting today discussing trade and see if they can come up with anything that they can come up with, anything to kind of salvage the relationship, so to speak, So we'll kind of have to wait and see if anything develops there. So let's take a look, see how this is affecting the bond market. Bond market is getting a little bit of a reprieve. We're approaching up its first ceiling of resistance here today, which is the 50-day moving average. Now, one of the things I would recommend here is we could possibly float a little bit here. Normally, I would say lock in, but because on the stochastic chart, we're approaching an oversold position. The mortgage-backed securities are reaching oversold position, so at some point it's going to come back on that. So it will start meaning that people start buying on there. So that will help us out in the short term here. But again, just be a little cautious here. But stochastic says we're approaching that line where we're just going into the oversold position. So that could help us out here in the near future here as well. Same thing on the 10-year Treasury. That's getting kind of in a overbought position, the opposite side, so overbought position. So this may come back down a little bit as well as it's coming down. It's down to about 2.94 right now. It was down earlier about 2.93. Now it's at 2.94 so far this morning. So it's approaching its first level of floor of support, which is the 50-day moving average as well. So rates are, better than what they were on Monday, but about the same as what we would have seen yesterday. All right, so that pretty much wraps things up. We'll keep it kind of short for you guys, as it's kind of a not a real busy day today. But you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Otherwise, if you guys want to get more data, just want to get some updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork as I post other items up there as well. All right, bye-bye.